everybody, I'm Jerry.
I'm JP.
And we're musicians in the mountains. And Magnus is also musicians in the mountains, but he unfortunately wasn't feeling so well. So he took a rest in the cabin. JP and I took off to a big mountain that was extremely windy. And you're going to see what happens. So I hope you enjoy the adventure.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Okay, holding the door. JP's trying to get back in the car right now. And he's not even joking right now. This is how bad the wind is. The whole car is shaking. The whole car is shaking. Oh. No jokes here. Oh. That's insane. Oh. Okay, so we're inside something like a train on the inside of a mountain. So this place is going to go through the center of the mountain, and it was during the Cold War that they built this top secret facility. And the train is actually on a 45-degree angle or something like that, so it's very strange when you get on. But as you can see, NATO could possibly use this again one day. There's a lot of top secret rooms, radio communications, and everything inside the mountain that we're not even allowed to see. So this is going to drop us off on the top, and I think we're in for a hurricane on the top.
Yeah.
Alright, it's been pretty warm outside, so I gotta use crampons because we gotta play this safe. Doors frozen up. Wow. Alright, JP, good luck, man. Hang on tight. Okay, so when we found out we were coming up here, they said it was going to be 100-kilometer-an-hour wind. We thought we should celebrate on the top with some tropical drinks. I don't know if anybody's ever brought coconuts up here, but we did, and we're going to crack them open. Have some coconut milk. Woo! The lime in the coconut, drink it all up, you put the lime there. Look at this. Somebody's actually going to come up here and find coconut on the trail, almost 2,000 meters up in the middle of winter. We decided to donate this coconut to the mountain for sparing us on this day. So say goodbye to the coconut. We're just gonna drop him right down here. Coconut, look at it. It's still going. Okay, you know, I really hope that you know, we don't wake up tomorrow and in the news we find out somebody caused an avalanche. And, at the bottom of it, they found a coconut next to somebody's ear. All right, man, let's get out of here.
guitar, a cowboy hat, and a broken car. And you don't know where you are. When all you see is a road ahead, and don't recall how in the world it led to this place. It swings and curves like a maze. When all you see is a million stars, one for each and every one of your scars, that's when your feet are on holy ground. I fall down. When all you need is a loaf of bread, a sleeping bag, and a wooden bed, and your face is lit by a fireplace. When you are miles from the nearest shops and settle down near the mountain tops, and they glow although they're covered in snow. When all you see is a million stars, 'cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die